It's time now for our chart of the day, and just 10 stocks account for 59% of the S&P 500's gains since those lows in October of 2022. And the reason we wanted to zoom out a little bit and not just look year to date is because the tech concentration has actually improved a little bit. As Shauna and I were just speaking about here, the year to date top 10 performing stocks, not all tech, right? But if you zoom out to those October 2022 lows, you see the overwhelming majority of these top 10 stocks are tech names, the like of Nvidia, Broadcom, SMCI is up there. Nvidia, by the way, up over 1,000% in that time period. So it's interesting when you talk about the concentration challenge and the idea that if the tech names aren't gaining, which is part of what we're seeing lead to declines today, it puts a lot of pressure on the market because it is market cap weighted to those tech heavy names. The challenge being moving forward, can we eke out gains if we don't continue to see that breadth coming in? And that is the key question moving forward, especially when you have earnings estimates so record high for those tech names. What is that going to mean for the year moving forward? How long can the party go on for the Mag 7, especially as you have yields continuing to move to the upside here, that also adding a little bit of pressure on equities. And then, of course, you also have the dollar having record strength heading into 2025. It's going to be really interesting to see January in particular. We know that as goes January, so goes the year, according to the Stock Traders Almanac, if you're looking at the technicals. So we will see what happens with the Mag 7 in January as potentially an indication of whether or not that stock concentration will continue to lead to more gains for stocks or in markets more broadly, or if it could potentially spell bad news for stocks heading into 2025.